a shark bait here, or Imagine Cousins, depending on which channel you're watching it on. Go and subscribe to Imagine Cousins if it's out yet. It probably is, so yeah. We're here with Hannah Jane. Subscribe to her too.
I may not have so much. I may only have 2 videos, but I will yet to come because I only have 5 subscribers. How do you like our pet music? And also, she is going to get a channel called French Fries, so make sure you subscribe to her.
But it's not coming out yet. It should come out very soon.
Like, in like 1 week. So, if you see French Fries, click on it and click the subscribe button.
And this is how to make this slime video.
Did you guys kind of steal my slime, or did you guys?
It's using clear glue. I already have made one for her, so that's why she thought clear glue. We're not sponsored, by the way. And I just hurt myself very badly. And you also need that and that and that. But I already showed you the. I did already, but I'm going to show you soon. So yeah, let's get on to this video. Ingredients are a mixing bowl, some clear glue, solution, food coloring if you want it to be colorful. So yeah, let's get on to this. Add some clear glue. Also need a spoon. Add your desired amount of glue because that makes it. And add some food coloring. Now, yeah, it's like paint. Okay. So now you have to put some saline solution in, and you put the desired amount. You have to put it in until it gets like, well, what is it called? Like it comes off of the. Oh, sorry, it comes off of the bowl. So yeah.
Until your consistency gets
now
better.
It's kind of picking up off of the wall. You still probably want to add a little bit more. But just keep adding until it's really good and stop sticking. So somewhat like this, you might want to put some more in, depending on its stickiness. Mine, yeah, I do. So, yeah, sounds delicious. Once it's like this, you probably want to start kneading it. You need to knead. Okay. So yeah, I'll be back once it's good. Saline solution.
If it looks like that, you need some more. But make sure you add little bits at a time because you do not want to overactivate.
Sometimes with clear glue slime, you might want to overactivate it, but I don't usually recommend it. Sometimes now you need to keep stirring because did you see in the last clip how it was really sticky?
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, be careful.
Yeah, be careful. Only the recommendation. No.
Ladies and gentlemen, he just showed you what not to do.
Yeah, you still need to add some more in. This is getting weird.
So you just want to do.
Hey guys, I have a pet lizard. Okay. Yes.
Oh, whoa, it's stinging.
Okay,
That's
family friendly. Does this look good to you guys?
Put it on the table.
Nah, I don't want to risk it. So, yeah. Yes, this looks perfect. Now once it looks like this. Now once it looks like this, you have to like really knead it. Yes, it's going to be sticky. It's going to be very...
Roll it up in a ball. Roll it up in a ball. It actually helps. Yeah, it gets all the stickiness off, and if you roll it up, it's good.
Well, you can't roll it up in a ball with this. Sometimes you just want to knead it. But if it's like this, you might want to add a little more saline solution. So that's what we're going to do right now. Just put a little bit more. Yeah. So like, oh, it's getting on the carpet. We need all that on the slime, not the carpet. This one is kind of harder, harder, blah, blah, blah. Don't hate, comment. Don't subscribe either. Please subscribe, okay. It's so hard. Okay. Yummy.
Maybe not follow the instructions, but
If you
just
want to
don't
add some more
overactivate.
saline solution, do it because
I don't want to wait down there, Justin, so we're waiting. I didn't look that hard. What kind of lizard is that?
It's really clicky. Sorry for the
But-
background noise. It is
sticky when you make it.
Yes. So you need to be always prepared and knowing that it might be really sticky, but see for me, it's all sticky.
That was bad.
Well, I know Jeremy too, but
See?
here.
Good poking. Good
I wanna
clear.
get-
Clean hand. If it gets all like sticky, just like
use a
poke
paper
it,
towel.
and also you use it with a paper towel. So I love you so much.
Another way to get clean hands is if you wash them and then use a paper towel to dry, because sometimes there might be some extra slime that you didn't get, and if you use like a normal thingy kebab, it could get ruined. So yeah,
Towel's got the magical power.
that's all we have to say for this video. Satisfying ASMR. So bye.